During the entire pandemic, we've seen these stocks do well because of the notion that people are at home more. They're looking around, thinking about showers to regrout, coffee tables to replace, and wanting to wear stretchy pants. If that was the case, the thesis for investing in these stocks during the pandemic, what happens after the pandemic? Doesn't some of that premium go away or no?
Well, look, it's a great question, and that's the question I'm getting a lot from our clients right now. And look, in my view, clearly we're seeing, thankfully, a number of these COVID-19 headwinds begin to abate. But look, I think we're going to, coming out of this, I think there's going to be permanent changes to the way consumers behave and spend. And I think we will be spending more time in our homes going forward, even after this crisis abates. And so I think that helps to really bolster for a while that home retail related trade. And look, Lululemon, let's be honest, Lululemon was performing extraordinarily well into the crisis. I think now we'll probably be dressing more casually going forward. So that's an added benefit to what was already a very strong story with Lululemon.
Way back when, Brian, and I'm sure you'll know exactly when, I can't remember off the top of my head, there was an argument that the athleisure trend may be over, that people may want to be actually dressing up, and that there are only so many pairs of workout pants one could have in their closets. Should we be concerned about that for Lululemon as well? There's only so many $100 workout pants I'm going to have in my closet at the end of the day, even if I am sitting at home all day.
Yeah, I'm not too worried about that. I think the casualization continues. Look, so I think Lululemon is sort of say taking share from other more formal types of attire, but also let's keep in mind that there was a lot of athleisure players out there, and I think Lululemon is just really one of the best. So they're taking market share within their category as well, getting more and more people to recognize the true value, if you will, in the quality of that brand.
So who's losing share to any of these names that are benefiting from this work from home trend?
Well, I mean, look, it's no secret. A lot of these, whether they be the teen retailers, other retailers which have sold more formal wear. I was just looking at your website before this segment. We're talking about Brooks Brothers filing for bankruptcy. So I think a lot of those companies are, as funny as that sounds, or odd as that sounds, I think they're ceding share to Lululemon. But you also look at Lululemon, particularly on the men's side. Okay, so it wasn't that long ago that Lululemon was really known as primarily a brand geared towards women. Now they have a fast-growing men's business, and so I think they're taking market share from companies like Under Armour, which has been struggling lately in the men's side.
You know, you constantly hear it from men, and Kelly, I know you hear this around the office as well, about men wearing Lululemon pants to the office because they actually look like real pants. I really wish they would do the same thing for women, because for the women's side, all you can wear are leggings, and that's you can't get away with that in the office. But they really need to, right? I mean, wouldn't you love to have a pair of pants that actually look like pants, but that feel like yoga pants? I mean, Brian, could that be in the making here?
It makes sense to me. I joke. That makes sense to me. I joke with our clients that I'm walking around my neighborhood in the weekends. It looks like everyone's going to the gym. They're not, right? That's just how we dress now. We're going to the gym. But I look, if there's a trend to drive out there, Lululemon's going to figure it out. That's what they're very, very good at.